Your business address can make or break your U.S. operations, and most remote founders don't realize it until their bank or merchant accounts get delayed or rejected. If you built a business selling in the U.S., you'll eventually need a bank account, merchant account, or payment platform. But here's the catch. Your address must be a real, physical U.S. commercial address. Neither a P.O. box nor a virtual office will satisfy the verification process. That's why so many international founders hit huge roadblocks, including delays or even rejections. The old school solution: rent a physical commercial office in person. But that means you physically have to be there. They require expensive deposits, long leases, time and travel costs on a space you rarely use. And even then, some banks still ask for a utility bill to confirm occupancy. That's where TruLease comes in. TruLease gives you a real U.S. commercial address space to rent fully remote. No travel or time wasted needing to be in a physical office. TruLease not only includes a commercial lease in your LLC's name, but also an optional utility bill that confirms occupancy with the lease address and lease agreement. These documents are specifically designed to support the typical verification checks made by banks, processors, and merchant platforms. What does this mean for your business? Fewer delays, fewer rejections, and overall smoother onboarding process. TruLease helps to support and keep businesses compliant. Manage your business from anywhere in the world. If you need a compliant U.S. commercial address that supports verification, check out TruLease. Fully remote setup without the traditional lease headaches. If you would like to learn more, please check out this video to see if TruLease is right for you.